यूनिवर्स एंड इट्स हाइपोथेसिस, और ये इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक है कि आई एम ऑलमोस्ट हाफ वे थ्रू. सो आई वाज वंडरिंग कि अच्छा होता नहीं अगर हमारे यहाँ भी एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता सारे एस्ट्रोफाइल्स का.
ग्रेट, तो तू मुझे सही टाइम पे मिली है. चल मैं तुझे प्रकल्पा क्लब के ओरिएंटेशन में ले चलती हूँ, which is the only space and science club of LDC and a perfect place for people like you who are interested in space, science and astronomy.
Great, let's go.
Chal.
Good evening everyone. Today I, Tisha Jain, with my co-host Manushi Arya and Shreya Patel, welcome you all in the orientation ceremony of Prakalpa Club. तो बिना किसी देरी के चलते हैं प्रकल्पा के सफर की ओर और जानते हैं क्या है प्रकल्पा.
Each organization has a goal and a vision which it wants to achieve. Similarly, each and every club has a vision and mission. Basically, Prakalpa helps everyone, those who want to make their career in astronomy and want to learn more about the universe. Let's have some kind words by Dr. Mihir Shah, the head of EC department and convener of Prakalpa LDC.
Dear first year students, first of all, as a head electronics and communication and convener of the club, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Prakalp Club, first of its kind Astronomy and Space Science Club. Astronomy is an amazing and interesting science, and engineering has a lot of application in the field. Prakalp is a dynamic and constantly evolving club, so I encourage you all to join the club and explore opportunity in designing various projects in the field of astronomy and space science. Welcome to Prakalp family. Thank you.
Now let's have some words of wisdom by our faculty coordinator, Professor Suresh Barwar sir.
Dear students, I, Professor Suresh Barwar from Electronics and Communication Department, welcomes you all to the orientation program of our very innovative and beloved club Prakalpa. We began this journey in 2017 with a very few students who have left a lasting impression on the club and its members. And I am confident they will have an even greater impact on the future club members. The goal of this club is to bridge the gap between the space science and the engineering by encouraging young minds to participate in various events organized by the club member inside and outside of the campus. We are motivating, encouraging and assisting students in pursuing projects in the field of space science. We held space science seminar, webinars, workshop and fair like a Taran and a World Space Week to expose both college and high school students to the field. We formed a very own club member, the auspicious of this organization. Under the name Prakalpa, we have created our very own telescope named Psycho and our ongoing project, the Vector Rocket Project, with the goal of creating many more such marvels. Every one of you is invited to join this exclusive club and join us on an unforgettable journey. Thank you and welcome you all.
For the founder of Prakalpa Club, I would like to quote Sebi Wright. Stars do not look bigger, but they do look brighter. Just like a bright star, we had Mr. Vatsal Karya, EC department passed out, who founded Prakalpa Club in 2017. Do you guys know that the word Prakalpa is very interesting? Each letter of Prakalpa stands for something for which India is proud of. Prithvi, India's first missile. Rakesh Sharma, India's first male astronaut. Aryabhatta, India's first satellite. Kalpana Chawla, India's first female astronaut. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's former president and scientist. Ladakh, where India's first observatory is located. Pinaka, which is India's first multi-stage missile. And Astrostat, which is India's first observatory.
So now we will know what basic activities does Prakalpa Club organize throughout the year. First one is visit. Prakalpa Club organizes visit of India's premier science institutions like ISRO, PRL, Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Centre.
Prakalpa has been organizing various expert lectures in which scientists from acclaimed institutes like ISRO, PRL and IPR unravels mysteries of science and provide knowledge to young minds and enlightened students.
Prakalpa celebrated 100 hours of astronomy in 2019 by conducting many activities like solar observation and lunar observation. We also arrange few expert lectures as well as model making competitions. તમને બધાને એવું લાગતું હશે કે પ્રકલ્પમાં ખાલી વેબિનાર્સ, સેમિનાર્સ, વર્કશોપ અને એક્સપર્ટ લેક્ચર્સ જ થાય છે, પણ ના, એવું નથી. પ્રકલ્પ also organizes many competitive activities like BTS, Quizonova and Mars urbanization.
Have you ever wondered the invention done in exploring cosmos could have helped us living in a effortless life? Yes, it has, and it always will. And to spread the awareness of the same, Prakalpa Club has organized an astronomical event, BTS, Beneath the Sky.
Prakalpa also organized Quizonova 2K18 and 2K21, which was a space and science quiz, in which more than 150 students participated and winners were rewarded with exciting prizes.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि हम मार्स को टेराफॉर्म करके अर्थ जैसा बना सकते हैं? नहीं, तो फॉर दैट प्रकल्पा हैड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मार्स अर्बनाइजेशन. ड्यूरिंग तरंग फेस्ट, प्रकल्पा हैड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ यूनिक competition, Mars urbanization, which was judged by ISRO scientists. In this competition, many students from different colleges took their part and shared their ideas on how to terraform Mars.
Prakalpa, in collaboration with Brahman, Astronomic Club of PTU, and Tanmay's Amazing Space, had conducted World Space Week, which is celebrated globally every year with different themes from 4th to 10th October. And this year, the theme was Women in Space. Prakalpa conducted many webinars and events which were kept free for female participants to encourage them to participate in the domain of space.
In 2018, Tarang was organized for the first time, and you can imagine its success by knowing that more than 35 schools participated in it. Science exhibitions, webinars, and many more such 25 events were organized. We attracted more than 6,000 people, and it was amazing.
The second edition of Tarang was organized in 2019, which was a huge success, which brought around 4,000 participants from different colleges of Gujarat and more than 7,000 visitors. Let's hear some motivating words by our mentor, Shri Tanmay Vyas, the founder of Tanmay's Amazing Space.
Hello, I know. It's a new normal, right? Namaste. I welcome you all into a new world which we always thought about. When would I grow? When would I go to college? Here you are. You are in college, so you think you are mature. But are you still carrying the innocence? The innocence of touching stars? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You remember? So many of you must have also thought about going to moon. Somebody might have even thought about having their own telescope. A small one like this, a little big one like the one I'm seeing, or something like this, a big observatory. We all wish to explore this new type of world, and this world is called astronomy. Astronomy and space science. Let me tell you my name. I am Tanmay Vyas. And when I was in 9th standard, I started this beautiful science of astronomy. Today, after so many years, I'm teaching different type of students, school, college, university, even teachers. I teach teachers astronomy for past 34 years. So I have little experience in working with students like you who are interested in such a different topic and subject. We can make telescope, we can see stars, we can enjoy. આપણે અહીંયા બધા જે ભેગા થયા છીએ તો એ શેના માટે થયા છે? આપણી ક્યુરિયોસિટીને એક નવી પાંખ આપવા માટે. We need to give wings to our dream. And if you are not satisfied with such small telescope, here we have something very huge. A telescope કે જે અવકાશમાં છે, હબલ સ્પેસ ટેલિસ્કોપ. આઈ નો, નામ સાંભળવું અને મોડલ જોવું અને પછી કંઈક હબલ માટે કરવું, this is something different, right? So LD College has Prakalp, a science club, a club which can give you wings to fly. And Tanmay's amazing space, which I run, is having super experience of having astronomy and space science as a base. Why don't we all come together અને આપણે આપણા ડ્રીમને ફૂલફિલ કરીએ? Let's come, let's enjoy this beautiful science. Join Prakalp, join Tanmay's amazing space at LD College of Engineering, one of the most prestigious in Ahmedabad. Welcome to Prakalp. Thank you.
Prakalpa under the initiative Spark with the guidance of Sri Tanmay Vyas sir successfully completed the building of a telescope, SCICO, that is Spark Young Celestial Observer, which is the first ever project by Team Prakalpa.
If you think that Psycho telescope was amazing, then hold on a moment. Let me tell you that another project by Prakalpa has gained a great momentum since its inception. The Model Rocket Building project is our club's next project, which provides amazing opportunities to students of all branches, as the project includes aspects of various domains such as aerodynamics, fuel and composition, structural strength, electronic circuits, etc. So let us know more about the role of engineers in space science. Now let us have some kind words from our core team members.
Hello, I am Varun Ashra. I am in the 7th semester of EC department and I am the current president of the club.
Hello, I am Jay Bhuktani and I am also in 7th semester EC department and I am the current vice president of the club.
Hello, my name is Shrey Champanari. I am also from 7th sem EC department and I am the treasurer of the club.
So अब तक आप लोगों ने पूरा ओरिएंटेशन देख लिया होगा और तो फिर मैं आपका ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा. मैं सिर्फ आपको इतना बोलूँगा कि आप अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में तो हमारी सारी इवेंट्स में हो सके इतना पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए और हमारे क्लब को बाहर से अच्छे से जानिए.
प्रकल्पा एक साइंस क्लब है, सो ऑब्वियसली हम काफ़ी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स भी करते रहते हैं. रिसेंटली ही हमने मॉडल रॉकेट बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट और टेलीस्कोप बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट किया है और आगे भी ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स करते रहेंगे. सो आप चाहे किसी भी ब्रांच से हो, आप आ सकते हैं, यहाँ पे सीख सकते हैं और उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट भी कर सकते हैं. सो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू जॉइन एंड कंट्रीब्यूट इन आवर प्रोजेक्ट्स.
So with the science team we have management team, then designing team, web developing team, graphic designing team. So अगर आपको साइंस टीम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो आप मैनेजमेंट टीम में भी आ सकते हो, वेब डेवलपिंग टीम में भी आ सकते हो और यहाँ पे आपको सीनियर्स होंगे जो आपको नहीं आता है तो सिखाएंगे भी.
So this is it from our side and we hope to see you soon as participants and we hope to see you soon in future as our member as well. And so we'll sign off and goodbye.
Thank you.
For more facts and upcoming activities, check out our Instagram and YouTube.
I hope आप सबको प्रकल्पा की ओरिएंटेशन में मजा आया होगा and I'm sure I will see you all in the next session of प्रकल्पा. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned. Bye bye.
The orientation was really great. Thanks for letting me know. And I'll definitely join the club.
Okay then, see you in the club.
Sure. अभी मैं बाकी की book finish कर रही हूँ because it's very interesting.
Okay then, मैं चलती हूँ. Bye bye.
Sure. Yeah. Bye bye.
What if there were multiple Big Bangs? What if this is not the only universe existing? What if humans aren't originally evolved? Why the universe exists the way it exists? What initiated the Big Bang? What was there before Big Bang? Is dark energy only the factor affecting expansion rate of universe? Will universe continue to expand forever?